Hi everyone, Francesca here again from CG by Fran. I'm here to do the part 2 of my Hobby Lobby Mall. Today is August 8th of 2023 and Hobby Lobby is having this week a 40% off on their baking items and on their paper studio and a few other things. Okay, so this is part 2. Make sure to watch part 1. I'll put the link in the description. Some things I got were not on sale, but the majority of the stuff I got was on sale. Excuse me. So I got a brayer. Now I have a few brayers, but I wanted to try this one out. It's almost 6 inches. It's 5.9 inches long. Plastic. It comes off for easy cleaning. I wanted to see how I would like this against the Tim Holtz one that I have. So, got this one. It was $6.49 regular price. This I got in the clearance. It's a 500-piece puzzle. And I got it for $3.24. I don't know what the original price was, but $3.24. My daughter works in the library, and I thought this would be perfect for it because right now she's doing almost like a kind of paint by numbers type of sticker thing and make you make a picture with it. I thought this would be nice to have the next thing to do. It's only 500 pieces, not a lot, okay? I didn't look to see what the actual size of the pieces are because, well, no, it's closed, so that's good. I know I'm going to have all my pieces because it's not opened. Okay? I thought that was just adorable. I love bright colors. Now, this is a mini flower cake silicone mold. Now, this one I'm going to be using for cooking, not for my arts and crafts, for cooking. This was originally $9.99 down to $5.99. Okay? I think it's so cute. You see how these are small. I like that. They're just adorable. Look at that. Can you resist it? I couldn't. That's why I got it. Excuse me. Now these I didn't expect them to be this big, but these are the melting pots for your if you were making chocolate candy, or if you had to heat up milk or something when you're cooking. And let me take it out so you can see what it. I'm sorry for all the noise, okay? So you can melt your chocolate in the microwave. You can melt butter in the microwave. You can. I don't know about wax. I mean, I got 2 of these. Two in a pack. I'm going to have one for cooking and I'm putting the other one in my craft room. Okay, don't worry. I won't get it mixed up. Because one's going to be down here and one's going to be up here. Okay, and originally, this was $4.99. Yeah, sorry for the crackling noise. Almost could make a good AMSR. Is that what it's called? I'm trying to go to sleep and they make all those noises like that. Now here, Paper Studio. I got a couple of washi tapes. Okay. I couldn't resist this one, being that I got the honeycomb. I showed in my last video, like the stencil, the imprint. And these are tapes now, washi tapes. Now this one was $4.99. I was kind of ticked that this was $4.99, but I got it anyway. Now remember, $4.99 minus 40%. Now these $2.99. I just love these colors. And oh, here we go. $2.99. Now I'm going to tell you something. When you go to Hobby Lobby and you see something you want, look. Use your eyes. Look at every single one that you like and look at the prices. The reason is This was $2.99. Behind it, I think it was $4.99 or $5.99. So I showed it to the guy, and he said, unfortunately, when they get their inventory in, they don't have anything to put over the stamp. So if this is $2.99, it stays at $2.99. The new one that says whatever price is the new price. So always check to see if you got the one that has the cheaper price. Okay? So each of these, $2.99 minus 40%. Okay? This was $3.99. This was $3.99. I was looking for a $2.99. They didn't have it. I was looking for a $2.99 in this. They didn't have it. This one, definitely not. Okay? So, but still, minus 40%. Now, if you remember my last video, I spoke of the silicone mat. And that one, oh, I put it away already. That one was a small one. Okay? This one is a big one. This one is 20 inches. Let me see if it's 20 inches by 19.7. So basically 20 by 20. This one I can really spread out, and I can have my stuff on my table. This one is good for when I use this table. The small one is good when I use my little snack tray table. Okay? Originally $9.99. Okay? So for $5.99, I don't think you can go wrong with that. It's a silicone mat. If you were buying one that's made specifically for arts and crafts, you know you're going to pay more. Okay? Don't tell me. I bought 2 of these. This is the second one. Okay? So I guess I'm going to give the other one to my daughter, Christina, because she does some confectionery stuff. So that'll go to her. This is for like when you want to dunk your stuff, your little things into the chocolate, your candies into the chocolate. Excuse me, I just want to decline this call. Someone trying to reach me. How rude. How rude, calling me when I'm doing a video. Now this I always pick up. I never find this on sale. This is $7.99. This is for my Xyron. Anytime I see it, I always pick one up because they don't always have it. This is to go inside my Xyron. Trying to go fast because I'm running out of time. Fondant mold. Again, these are bows. Use them with your resin. Or I would think you can use it with resin. I can't. I'm telling you to use it. I would think you should be able to use it with your resin or your paper, clay stuff, and then take it out, paint it, put it on your cards. Okay, I got this big scraper. Now the other little one I got when I want to put stuff over a stencil, like put paint or paste, molding paste. I got the bigger one as well. Okay, this one $1.99. So I'm getting two in here for $1.19. Okay. This is I haven't made up my mind yet whether I'm gonna use it for food or for my crafts. I'll make up my mind, but you know what this is, spatula. I think I'm gonna put this in for down here because I need a new one. So I should have just gotten two. I wouldn't have to decide. And this is a fondant needle. And this is for when you want to remove air bubbles. When you're doing your fondant, you can do the same thing when you're doing your resins and all of that. Okay? Needle, $1.99. Okay? Down to $1.19. Now, here, stencils. These were $1.99 stencils. You know you're going to pay more than that in Michael's and every place else. These are cake stencils. $1.99, but on sale $1.19. Now, I don't know if you can see that design. See that design? Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Put that on a card. Can you imagine the lunar paste? Simon Hurley's lunar paste with this? Oh, my. Okay, let me stop. Okay, here's another impression, what they call this. Impression mat. This one would make the design like this. Okay. Put that. Use it with your gel print. You can use it with your molding paste. Press that down, let it dry, and then what do? You just brush over the top with a little ink, a little lunar paste. Let me tell you something. I bought some lunar paste when it was on sale at scrapbook.com, and boy, oh boy, I've been having so much fun with it. I'm just going to show you something quickly. This is a regular rock that I painted with the lunar paste. Doesn't this look like a chunk of gold? I have to finish designing it, but look at this. I just thought it was gorgeous. Anyway, some more stencils. Cookie stencils. They have 2 designs in here. You can see the 2 designs. This one is the polka dots and the stripes. These are for cookies. And this one is the mermaid scale. See? Mermaid scale. Okay? $1.99 minus 40%. Like I said, you can't go wrong. I got myself some spatulas. Alright. This is for when I do the melting of the embossing powder in the parchment paper to help get it off. Or if it's too hard, I will use this. Okay, this is the bench scraper. Okay, originally $4.99. Okay, you have to be careful. This is sharp. I'm gonna have to get something else besides what they have here. Okay, I got a wooden fondant roller. I originally got it because I figured I was going to use it with my paints as well, but I think I'm going to use this for my my clays. Okay, which makes more sense. Use it for my clays, and this is originally $4.99 minus 40%. Okay, yeah, look at that. Okay, another fondant mold, originally $2.99. Okay, I got this. This is for, I got this more, I'll figure out. I got it because I wanted it. Okay, I really don't have a use for it. It's not good. Not good. Bad friend. But I like it. Okay. Oh, and by the way, that's used for like if you have, you want to crack your candies and stuff in. It's a little mallet. I should use it when I'm arguing with my husband. Hear ye, hear ye. Right. Now, they also had these on sale. The fall. So these are place cards. I could have made these myself, but I figured for $2.99 and then on sale, saved me a little time. And I got some napkins. These were originally $4.99, and let me show you the design. $4.99, and then you have the 40% off. Okay. And I got some twine because, for some of the projects you want to have twine. Now, they had twine on sale in the baking section, but it was not, this came out less expensive. Now, if you were doing it for the cakes and stuff and cookies, but basically you're using it to tie up your little bag. So to me, you should still be able to use this if you were to use it for food. And this one is 83.33 yards, which is about 200 and something feet. 200 and something feet. I forgot how much the other one was. I think the other one was like 100 feet. This is 200 and something feet in here for $2.99, and then minus the 40% off. Okay, got myself another for mixing my glitters or whatever I want to mix in with my molding paste. That was the reason why I got the other spatula. That wasn't for baking. Now, for the paper clay, I wanted to try 2 different kinds. I wanted to try this one, Creative Paper Clay, and this one, the DOS. Oh gosh, this thing is heavy. This one. Both of them were originally, $12.99, but they had them on sale for $7.99. So I got them. And last but not least, I got 3 of these. These are Advent calendars. You know something? I just realized. Well, that's okay. This is Christmas 2022. It doesn't matter because it goes by the number, not the date, basically. So I got this scene, which is the snowman. I got the nativity. And I got a Santa Claus one. Each of them originally were $9 and they were on sale for 90 cents. So, my grandkids. Okay? And I got this one. I can't make up my mind if I'm going to give it to my daughter or I'm going to keep it for myself. I'll ask her if she wants it. It's a portfolio. It says here it was $15. I don't know if it was $15. Original price, it was $15 on sale at once, but it went down to $324. What was it? Yeah, $374, something like $374 portfolio, and it is 11. This one, I think, yeah, 11 by 17. 11 by 17. And you have all of these sheets in here to put your artwork. And let me see, how many sheets does this have? Okay, so 11. Okay, this one doesn't even say. Oh, 11 by 17. Oh, okay, because it's a portrait type. Okay. Digital printer album. Preset store and organized non-glare top-loading pocket sheets. Reversible spine insert. Which I'll have to talk to my daughter about what that's about. Oh. Yeah, I'll have to ask her what that is. Durable polypropylene cover, thick gauge, black acid-free, quality European source insert paper. Archival safe, 100% acid-free, and it says Itoya quality. I don't know. I guess if you're an art student, you'll know what that's about. But I thought this was fantastic. An art portfolio, 11 by 17 for $3.24. Come on. Okay, so that is my total haul. Part 1 I showed earlier, and this one is part 2. What do you think? Again, do you think I went overboard? I probably did on some things, but like I said before, I try to get things on sale. I don't like paying full price for anything. But even if you got things on sale, use them. Because if you get them on sale and you don't use them, you've wasted your money. So use them. And Patricia, you know we're going to use our stuff, right? Patricia is my sister-in-law. Yeah, she's my partner in crime when it comes to our art things. We find things on sale, we let folks know. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful to you. Today is Tuesday, August 8th. So there should still be a lot of items left at Hobby Lobby for you to go and grab for 40% off. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of that. Okay? God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to spend time with me. God bless. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye.